Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. Picked up one of these new bright airborne hand drones. It says hover drone with hand motion. We'll open this and show you how to use it. Alright, let's open this little guy up. See what we can do here. Instructions, new bright owner's manual. Look at that. See what it does here. Just shows you how to use your hand or your foot or whatever, how to charge it and all that. Here's the little guy. Looks like he is stuck down there. We'll have to cut him out. There we go. There's your little hand control drone. You're going to control him like this, okay? Here's your charging cable. It's underneath there. Goes in right here on the back. Plug it in. Little on-off switch right there. Turn the switch on. See how he does? Turn the switch off. Alright, we'll charge this little guy up and we'll get him out there and show you how to fly him, alright? See if he'll stand up there. Well, he won't stand up, but we'll charge him and show you how to fly him. Now, to charge this little guy, take the little pointed end, plug it in right there by the on-off switch. Ding! Plug it into the USB port. So it takes about 30 minutes. The red light will come on while it's charging. When the light goes off, it's done. We'll hook it up to our PC and get it charging. There's your little guy. There's your charger. Goes in right there by the on-off switch. Set him down. Plug in. See the red light on? Look at that. It says he's charging. Now when it takes about 30 minutes and that red light goes off, it's ready to go. Well, you can see that the light's off, so it's ready to fly. I'll give you a couple of little tips here. If the drone is too slow to react to your hand, or maybe it hits your hand, or just suddenly stops and falls, battery needs charging, okay? If you have trouble getting control of it, like it can't see your hand and stuff, the lighting in the room may be too bright, so check that out. All right, let's go fly it. I think it's time to do a little flying. There's your on-off switch right there. Turn that little guy on. Comes on in about 3 seconds, okay? Whoa! Come on down, buddy. There we go. Whoop! Whoa! Do some more flying here. What do you say? Get the little on-off switch on. It takes it 2 or 3 seconds for it to come on. Whoa! Hit the refrigerator, didn't he? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoops, that got him right there. Uh-oh. See what happens if he goes down and sees the floor. Whoops, there's the floor. See if I can guide him with my foot here. What do you say? Yeah, he saw my foot. Okay. He's doing pretty good, isn't he? Oh, see the floor. Yeah. See his eyes glowing there? Saw the cabinet there. There's the floor. On the ceiling there. Whoops, that was my fault then. I like the fact that when he sees the floor, he goes back up in the air, okay? On the ceiling. There's the floor. Floor, ceiling. Guys, a lot of fun. Let's fly him a little bit more. Turn him back on here. I'll show you his eyes. See how his eyes glow there? See that? Okay. Get him out here in the middle of the room and let him go. Up on the ceiling now. Come on down, buddy. There we go. Floor. Not sure how long the flight time is. We've been flying about 5 minutes off and on, so. Just will stand back here and watch him go up and down when he sees the floor. Whoop, back up. His eyes are glowing. Whoop, floor. These are pretty fun little guys, aren't they? Go check them out. You get these from Amazon. Check out my description below. Let's see if we can show you where they are. I think the battery's getting low. He's not going up very high, see? Looks like your flight time may be around 6 minutes or so, give or take a little. I think he's about to run out of power here. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. We got a lot more of these. Check out our playlist. Also check out the description below, and we will see you next time.